Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to install some performance pedals here in the Model Y. Same in a Model 3. I don't believe they're the same in a Model S and a Model X. I think their pedals are a little different. So this video will be for a Model 3 and a Model Y installing performance pedals. What we're going to do, the pedal comes in, it's got rubber backing that holds the pedal onto the actual pedal here. And we'll remove these rubber pedals and install the aluminum pedals. And that's the job for today. Let's get to it. I've set up the camera so you guys can see what I do. We're going to remove this one and put this one on. So let's get to it. I've set up the camera so you guys can see what I do. We're going to remove this one and put this one on. So let's get to it. Pull out on the edges, and the bottom is kind of wrapped around the actual pedal, and it comes off. Okay, as you can see, it's just around the edges. So they recommend that you start from the top, pulling out the sides and then pulling the bottom out. That's it. It's not difficult. All right, let's have a look now at the other side. Turn the camera here a little bit. This will be similar, but we just pull it out from the sides. Actually, there is no rubber on this, so we will pull the bottom and we will two out, and then we slide it up. Okay. Alright, there you go. That's as difficult as it is. Pedal is on. Make sure the rubber is pulled out here. I want to make sure it's around the edge of this. And just like that, just to ensure the pedals are on there, as you can see, the rubber is all the way around the back of the pedal. Same with the accelerator pedal. It's all the way around the pedal. You do that, I think you're good. There you go. I've just gotten faster in this car. Accelerator, brake. That's as hard as it is. If you like today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget my Tesla referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen. You or somebody you know may want to buy a Tesla. You get a $500 discount, 3 months of full self-driving software. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.